In this video, I'm going to share with you people very important information as long as it concerns with upgrading our plant shutdown planning control skill set. So here you can see on my left side, there is a, identification, planning, scheduling, execution, closeout, and review. In my previous video, I have explained all these things with other names. So when we are talking about these things, we can use here identification, like there may be a strategic planning, and if we can label planning as a detailed planning, scheduling as a organizing detailed planning, and then the same execution, close out, and then post shutdown as well. So one by one, we are going to understand. Things will start from the first identification process. So you can see that arrow is going to help us out that from which direction to where we have to collect our information before getting on Primavera P6. How do we need to collect all the data? That is the most important thing. So let's start from here. From identification, you can see that this arrow is actually directing towards this box, and this box is actually saying that identify need for maintenance and enter a work request. So I'll give you an example. You're working on a plant, you are working on a oil and gas refinery. Let's say you identify there is a positive displacement pump is not working properly, so that is identification. So you are going to raise a work request. That is the first thing. Then after that, you can see you adequate information, like you should collect the information that pump, why that pump is not working properly, what is the reason behind malfunctioning. You can consult with your site staff, right? So adequate information should be documented, that what is the reason behind that malfunctioning or broken down of that pump, right? And there are two possibilities then. If you are, yes, it means request for a modification. If no, okay, obtain adequate information from requesters, right? You have to identify the adequate information, right? So a request for a modification means maybe you need something upgraded, you need good quality, more good quality kind of pump. So request for a modification. If you need for modification, then you have to go through not by yourself, you have to follow change management process. So that is always there. Change management process, you have to that change management process, you have to describe your agenda, you have to give the reason, what are the outcomes, what were the reasons to change that pump. Okay, so if no need to modify, there is emergency work, right? So if that is emergency work, yes, that is emergency work, you are directly going to make it in execution. You are going to perform that work on spot. But if it's not emergency, you have another pump for the bypass, and you can categorize it. Yes, we can, use at this moment another pump which is on the standby, right? So no, like it does not require any emergency kind of maintenance. So you can refer is as a work order, and you can document it for the upcoming any big maintenance event like shutdown or something like that. Okay. So this is a simple, you can say that a process which is actually going to help you out how identification is going to, link with your planning and execution. Simple. I hope this video can help you to understand how identification of work will be carried out on plant shutdown or any factory mill, so that you can gather the data. See you in next videos, and I would request you people to write your valuable comments under this video, so that I continue to record such kind of informative and career oriented videos. Thank you very much.